subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I am Nilofer. Today we are going to learn a new topic. Children, here some sticks are given. Let's count total how many sticks. Each bundle 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we add one more bundle, so it comes 10. So children, here 9 tens, then add one more 10 is equal to 10 tens. So 10 tens means 100 sticks. Here 9 tens blocks and 9 ones blocks. If we have to add both the numbers, we get 99. So, if we add one more block, first 9 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 99. And then after 9 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 99. If we add one more block, so we get 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Three-digit numbers are made up of hundreds, tens and ones. This all the things we already learned previous topic. Let's start our new topic. So children, today's our topic name is number names 121 to 130. So children, let's see here one example is given. Here some blocks and each blocks some dots. So let's count each box. How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each box 10 dots. So how many blocks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 blocks. So it means 120. If we add one more dot, so 120 plus 1 is equal to 121. How can we write? 121. O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 and A-N-D and T-W-E-N-T-Y 20, O-N-E 1, 121. Let's see the place value of 1. 1's place value is 1, 1. 2's place value is 2 tenths. And 1's place value is 100. Here some pens are given. So each bunch 10 pens. So here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12
bunch means 120. If we add 2 more pens, so it is equal to 122. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, AND TWENTY 20, TWO2, 122.
Now let's see the place value of 2. 2's place value is 2 ones. Second, 2's place value is 2 tens. And third one is 1's place value is 100.
Now next, here some crayons are given and each box 10 crayons. So here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 crayons. Means 120 total crayons. And if we add 3 more, so it means 123. So how can we write? ONE1, HUNDRED 100, AND TWENTY 20, THREE 3, 123.
Now let's see the place value of first 3. So 3's place value is 3 ones. 2's place value is 2 tens. And last one's place value is 100.
Here some candles are given. Each cake 10 candles. So total how many candles are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 cakes. And each cake 10 candles. So it means 120 candles. If we add 4 more candles, so it means 124. How can we write? ONE1, HUNDRED 100, AND TWENTY 20, FOUR 4, 124.
Now let's see the place value of 4. So 4's place value is 4 ones. 2's place value is 2 tens. And last one's place value is 100.
ONE1, HUNDRED 100, AND TWENTY 20, FIVE 5, 125.
Now let's see the place value of first 5. 5's place value is 5 ones. 2's place value is 2 tens. And 1's place value is 100. Here total 120 things are given. If we add 6 more, so it comes 126. So ONE1, HUNDRED 100, and TWENTY 20, SX 6, 126. First 6th place value is 6 ones, 2's place value is 2 tens and 1's place value is 100. Here some ice cream cups are given. Let's count how many total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each set 10 ice cream cups are given and total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 sets. It means 120. If we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more ice cream cups, so it comes 127. So how can we write? ONE1, HUNDRED 100, AND and TWENTY 20, SEVEN 7, 127. Now let's see the place value of 7. The 7th place value is 71. Next, 2's place value is 210 and 1's place value is 100. Here some sets of blocks are given and each set 10 blocks. So total 120 blocks. If we add 8 more blocks, so it comes 128. ONE1, HUNDRED 100, AND and TWENTY 20, EIGHT 8, 128. 8's place value is 8 ones, 2's place value is 2 tens and 1's place value is 100. Now here some carrots are given. Each bunch 10 carrots and total here 120. If we add 9 more, so it comes 129. So how can we write? ONE1, HUNDRED 100, AND and TWENTY 20, NINE 9, 129. First 9's place value is 9 ones, 2's place value is 2 tens and 1's place value is 100. Now let's see here some grapes are given and each bunch 10 grapes. So total here 120 grapes. If we add 10 more grapes, so it comes 130. So 130 means ONE1, HUNDRED 100, AND and THIRTY 30, 130. First 0's place value is 01, 3's place value is 3 tens and 1's place value is 100. So children, we already learned all these number names. Let's find out once again. 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Now activity time. Make numbers 121 to 30. Like this, you make a chart and do 121 to 30 numbers. Now homework time. Write down the number names 121 to 130. I hope all of you enjoyed today's topic. So children, subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thank you.